Oh, damn, boy. Hey.
Round one.
Blowing big ass clouds and shit.
Yeah, this nigga got like 5 different big ass movies.
7?
Like, look like a big joint. Like, he's like,
Oh, you gotta be. He probably got all the flavors.
I like pot hands, like, yo, I got the vape, I got the vapes, I got the bomb,
I got the bubblers and shit.
The bubblers, this nigga's like that.
God damn, bro. You're gonna be the next, next Wiz Khalifa, but hookah.
Don't push back, man. I know you take it down.
Tired as hell.
Power, bro.
Get that body, man.
And he got some speed on. And you going with Z next.
You getting better?
He's just fucking
Let me see it. I haven't even watched
Come on, Z.
it. I know you're tired.
Go for that body.
Don't show that back, Z. Don't show that back.
Don't turn around, swing back. Good job, do it again.
Get that body.
Good job.
Come on, Z.
Good shit.
He feeling that shit now.
Come on, Jake. Now give it back.
Yo. Oh, damn, boy. Hey. Yo. Hey, knock this shit off. You might as well not even put that shit back on. Oh, man. That's what happened when the bigger boys go at it.
Combo, Z, combo.
I'm glad I got that shit on camera. That was funny as hell.
Hell no, you don't duck and cover like that, man. Move out of the way.
Combo, Z.
Good job.
Face, body, face.
Damn. Yeah. Bro, this shit is hilarious. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it's low-key funny right now. It's probably because they're tired. All right, bro. Good shit today, man. Looking good today, bro. For real.
Oh, yeah, they tired.
Them boys gassed out. They ran out of gas.